capabilities are the organization's internal resources available to them, right? Strategic planning is the process of developing and maintaining a strategic fit between the organizational goals and capabilities. So goals and capabilities is something internal, right? And opportunity is something external. Where is the opportunity? Opportunity is in the market, right? Opportunity is externally present for an organization. So what an organization tries to do, actually try to see what they have, right? And what is there in the market from which they can take advantage of, right? Like again, if we talk about anyone starting up with a business, right? So in which domain do a person start a business? How do they select that domain? What the business start karna? So what will you start with?
Idea.
You will actually start with what you have. You will first look into what capabilities do you have, right? Can you become a designer? Can you become a businessman? Or can you become a photographer? So you actually look into what are your capabilities? What are you good at? Do you have too much capital resources that you are thinking on? So what is your resources? What are you good at? What are your skills? And then we try to match it. What opportunity is in the market? Like again, Facebook पे you must be aware of that so many individuals starting up with their businesses, right? And they are growing. They try to match कि उनके पास क्या है, उनके पास कौन सी skills अच्छी हैं, right? If they think they are a good designer, they start with their home business, right? और देखते हैं कि अपने market में इस वक्त opportunity है, इस type के dresses required है, तो वो क्या करते हैं? वो advantage लेते हैं कि opportunity क्या है और उनके पास capabilities क्या हैं. If you match them, you can perform well, right? So you have to actually see what are opportunities present in the market and what are you capable to perform. So if both of them matches, you have to seek for opportunity which matches your capabilities or your skills. So that is strategic planning. Strategic planning is a long-term planning in which organization tries to create and develop a strategic fit between their goals and opportunities and marketing opportunities, right? Why we use this term changing marketing opportunities? Because the market is changing, right? Market is not static, right? Market is continuously changing, right? I have to relate this with a syndrome that is boil frog syndrome. Boiling frog. What will happen to a frog if you throw him into boiling water? It will boil into soup. What will happen to the frog? क्या करेगा frog? I lost it. Yes. It will jump, right? It will jump, right? Either it will jump and come out of the water, or if it remains in the water, it will come out, then definitely the frog will not be able to survive, right? What will happen to the same frog if you make him sit in lukewarm water? अगर आप उसे नीम गर्म पानी में बिठा तो क्या होगा? खुश होगा, it will relax, it will take a bath, right? So while we are discussing this over here, we are trying to relate with something. Boiling water is environment, the market. Frog is the company or the organization, right? So if you let an organization, if the organization wants to enjoy in the environment, right, then they have to be adaptable, right? Adaptable means then they have to be flexible to the environmental changes. They have to adapt themselves for the environment, to the environment. They fail to adapt themselves and there are changes taking place and the organization do not adapt themselves to those changes, right? Then ultimately the organization will not be able to survive in the market. So for survival, it is important that the organization be adaptive and flexible. And flexible. And again, organization actually look into that how can they take advantage of the changing marketing opportunities, or even take advantage of the changing market, right? If there are changes taking place in the market, right, what will happen? Is it an opportunity or a threat? Agar, like let's say culture, right, or cultural changes are taking place in the market, right? In Pakistan, we can see there are cultural changes taking place, isn't it? People, they are becoming more westernized today, right? As compared to long, if we compare it to 10, 15 years back, 20 years back, right? People, they are more westernized today. Now this Western culture, right? The cultural change that is taking place, is this a threat to the organization market, or is it an opportunity for an organization? Both. Okay. How a threat?
क्योंकि में जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो नॉर्मल अवेयरनेस बनाती है तब लोग उसके बाद मतलब लेडीज नहीं जाएंगे कहाँ से बेचेगा उसकी सेल ही नहीं होगी मार्केट।
अगर एक कंपनी है जो ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेसेस बना रही है और अब जो है वेस्टर्नाइज्ड ड्रेसेस हो गए, उस कंपनी के लिए तो थ्रेट होगा, राइट? Because their product will be influenced, their purchases and their revenues would be right, and
opportunity for the new firms like Fifth Avenue,
Crossroads, Outfitters, Sonis, right? All these organizations definitely they are going to benefit from it. And if that traditional organization is not going to adapt itself and be flexible to the changes in the market, then that organization cannot survive in the market. So for survival, it is important that you change yourself accordingly. What will happen to an organization? Now we know earlier there box TVs. Right? पहले box TVs आते थे. Now box TVs are being replaced by LEDs and LCDs. Right? तो Sony जो है वो अभी तक box TV बना रहा होगा तो क्या होगा? कोई खरीदना नहीं. Sony तो लॉक में जा रहा होगा, सरवाना मुश्किल हो जाता. Right? So they had to adapt themselves to the changes क्योंकि technology न्यू हो गई. सारे competitors ने new technology apply कर दी and now they are making products accordingly. तो अगर Sony अपने आप को adapted by flexible ना करता है कोई भी expanding company, right? So what would have happened? That organization wouldn't have survived in the market, right? So organizations therefore need to be very adaptive so that they can survive successfully in the market.
One product which are very much useful for them, for like the sweets like Jawhar Road या कोई Haushani sweets, like they were standard for their sweets. Like they are not adapting any new sweets or innovations in their previous one. But people come over there and buy the same sweets from the last 10 years.
Again, you will not see
Goodwill,
goodwill like not necessarily goodwill, right? There are few things we don't change. At times, it's not necessary that we will always change. वो क्यों नहीं चेंज कर रहे अपने आप को? क्योंकि कस्टमर को चाहिए वो. कस्टमर की डिमांड चेंज हो गया तो फिर वो चेंज होंगे. अगर कस्टमर की डिमांड नहीं चेंज हो रही और कस्टमर आके वो प्रोडक्ट परचेज कर रहे हैं तब तो वो चेंज नहीं होंगे. क्योंकि उनकी जो रिक्वायरमेंट है वो चाहिए ही चाहिए. उसके खिलाफ और प्रोडक्ट चाहिए. तो यू विल सी इवन अगर कोई आप स्वीट कार्ट भी ले लें या स्वीट भी ले लें तो व्हाट विल हैपन? कंपनीज देयर आर सो मेनी कंपनीज. अगर हम इसमें निराला की भी right? So Nirala भी is a new organization, but they are also coming up. मिठाइयाँ तो वो भी लेके आ रहे हैं. जो product की तो requirement है, requirement change ही नहीं. Yes, along with that we want more things. हमें वो तो चाहिए, लेकिन हमें उसके साथ केक भी, confectionery भी चाहिए, हमें और items भी चाहिए. So for that there are companies that are coming only specifically in that. अभी तो इतना बड़ा domain है, right? हमारे पैसे आगे people have not stopped wearing सलवार कमीज. सलवार कमीज तो चाहिए ही चाहिए. लेकिन डेफिनेटली एडवोकेट वो भी चाहिए आपको, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विल स्टिल एग्जिस्ट. तो जनरेशन भी है अभी और झूलेलाल भी है और कितनी सारी अदर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं व्हिच आर सेलिंग ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेसेस. वी वांट देम. झूलेलाल मैम फेमस उसी कौन जानता है और बोर्ड मेकर, राइट? सो कमिंग बैक, strategic planning. What is planning? Maintaining
modification in your previous planning.
yes.
Would that be involved strategic planning or not?
Strategic planning के अंदर definitely, right? लेकिन आप can you think of your plan and that plan is not working well? and you will not change it. What we said that the organization need to be flexible. Rigidity तो चल ही नहीं सकती है in the market. If you are rigid and you say कि नहीं हमने 5 year plan बना लिया इस plan को change ही नहीं करना है, you won't be able to survive. How can 5 years तो long time होगी? You know, 3 years से beyond का अगर कोई plan है, that is a long term plan, right? And again, strategic planning is long term, but long term भी जो आप plan बनाएंगे, that plan will be flexible. कि जहाँ भी requirement आएगी, you will change and mold yourself accordingly, right? So 1 year पहले कहते थे कि 3 years के जो plan है वो short term plan है और 3 years से beyond 7 years से 7 years में फिर वो intermediate plan है और 7 years and beyond they are long term plan. लेकिन environment इतनी quickly changes sudden changes है कि आप कहते हैं कि 3 years से ज़्यादा का जो plan है ना वो long term plan है क्योंकि changes बहुत ज़्यादा आ रहे हैं environment बहुत suddenly change हो रही है technological changes है social political changes हैं right there are so many changes natural changes right natural environment के अंदर changes आ रहे हैं so we cannot plan for 10 years हम plan भी अब करते हैं कि next year या 3 year का भी जो आपने plan किया है वो plan flexible होगा तो जहाँ पे requirement होगी you will update and upgrade your plan right so there is one that is review and revise that is always helpful right review when it comes to plan review your plan and if required then revise them then modify them तो हमेशा देखिए आपका plan है क्या right किस डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं किस डायरेक्शन में जाना चाहिए तो अगर वो डायरेक्शन से अपने इधर उधर हो रहे हैं तो फिर उनको रिवाइज करें अपने प्लान मॉडिफाई करें रिन्यू करें अपने प्लान राइट okay we see so many changes organizers adopting changes we started with like again beside this box CPs even if we take other example antenna होते थे हमारे घर में जिसको 3-4 लोग खड़े होते थे एक गेट के बाहर एक फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे सेकंड फ्लोर आवाज देके सही करवाते थे उनके रूम में they replaced by they are being replaced by cable right पहले क्या पहले एंटीना था फिर डिश आया और फिर अब केबल पे एवरीवन इज ऑन केबल राइट सो अगेन थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन what yes so again there are so many we started with floppy drive right बड़ी सी होती थी वो तो आपने वो तो जो म्यूजिक के लिए
मैम कैसेट
मेरे जमाने में
ये रात का कौन सा जमाना
तो कंप्यूटर जब हमने लास्ट स्कूल टाइम तकलीफ पाए तो वो फ्लॉपी होती थी पहले एक्सेल होती थी तो कलरफुल आनी स्टार्ट हो गई राइट तो वी वर इंस्पायर्ड टू की कलरफुल होनी चाहिए उसके बाद वो सीरीज में रिप्लेस कर दिया और अब सीरीज में यूएसबी से रिप्लेस कर दिया सो इवन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इफ दे विल नॉट चेंज एंड एल्स एंड सेल्फ तो एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो अभी तक फ्लॉपी बनाएगी सिर्फ और किसी डाइवर्ट ही नहीं करेगी अपने प्रोडक्ट को मॉडिफाई नहीं करेगी दैट फॉर दैट इट बिकम वेरी डिफिकल्ट to survive. So organization need to be flexible and adaptive, right? There are four steps in strategic planning, right? What are those 4 steps? The first one that is defining the company mission, right? That is the first step of strategic planning. Then comes setting company's objectives and goals, designing portfolio, planning, marketing, and other functional strategies. We start with the first one today, that is defining the company's mission, right? What is the mission statement?
Which target market?
A statement, okay. Organization's purpose, right? Yes. We can say mission statement is a statement or mission statement is a purpose of existence of an organization. So it is a reasons of existence. Why an organization exists. What it needs to accomplish in the larger end. That is the mission statement. There is a difference between mission and vision.
This mission is first setup.
Vision is what you see for the future, right? Vision आपका है vision is a long term plan, right? How you see yourself after 20 years, where you see your organization after 40 years, right? Like we normally say that vision is like an impossible dream, right? तो विजन आपके इसलिए कहते हैं विजन तो हमेशा हाई होना चाहिए आपका, राइट? और मिशन इज लाइक एन इनविजिबल हैंड फॉर अचीविंग योर विजन. सो विजन आपको क्या हो गया, वो आपका डायरेक्ट आपका टारगेट हो गया दैट यू हैव टू रीच, राइट? एंड हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू रीच देयर would be your mission, right? So existing right now, what your organization is up to, right? Why do your organization exist, right? What are you up to? That would be your mission statement. Is the organization's purpose, what it wants to accomplish in the larger environment, right? And again, there are two types of mission statements, right? One is product oriented mission statement and market mission statement, right? Product oriented mission statement कौन सी है आपकी? जिसमें आप अपने बिजनेस को डिफाइन करते हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रोडक्ट एंड वर्क. So when you a product oriented mission statement defines the business in terms of the product the company is selling, right? The second है, right? There is one is product oriented and then there is market oriented. Product oriented mission statement defines the business in terms of the product that is selling, right? Whereas market oriented mission statement defines the business in terms of satisfying customers. अगर कस्टमर की नीड्स के अकॉर्डिंगली आप अपनी मिशन स्टेटमेंट डिफाइन करें, वो मार्केट ओरिएंटेड है. अगर प्रोडक्ट अपने बता रहे हैं कि ये प्रोडक्ट सेल करते हैं, वो क्या है आपकी, वो प्रोडक्ट ओरिएंटेड है. Which statement is better? Which kind of mission? Market oriented mission statement, right? क्योंकि प्रोडक्ट ओरिएंटेड तो बहुत ही स्पेसिफिक होगी, right? Yes, the marketing is about satisfying the customer needs. So you even have to define your business in terms of what need are you satisfying. Customer की कौन सी satisfy कर रहे हैं? Like Google की mission statement है. Tell me, is it market oriented or it's product oriented? Market oriented. Google says we help you organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. Market. How many of you say it's a product oriented mission?
Google is a product. Definitely it's a product.
Google is not a product. Google is an organization
offering you this product for search engines.
It's not a product.
Likewise, Google is also offering you accounts that the Google Plus is, like Facebook. It's another product of Google. And Gmail is also the product of Google. And Google web searching or the browsing is another product.
So is it product oriented?
This is product oriented.
No, you have named so much of Google.
Market
Do you
oriented.
see those names over there in this mission statement? Are they talking about the product? They have not talked the product that they are saying. They have only talked about accessibility and usefulness. This is what the customer. So customer would buy.
They are only talking about the search engine product in this statement. Accessible, that is accessible, and useful, that is useful for the information.
Okay. Google का क्या आपको प्रोवाइड कर रहा है? कस्टमर को क्या देता है वो?
Google is also something like a Facebook.
वो फेसबुक क्या
Facebook is the
इंफॉर्मेशन शेयरिंग है?
interaction है लोगों से लोगों.
क्या है? कम्युनिकेशन क्या है? शेयरिंग इंफॉर्मेशन. Even if it is Facebook or if it is YouTube or it is Google other search engines, it's about information, right? So Google is about information or about communication, or communication again is sharing information, right? They are defining their business in terms of customers' basic needs. Customers, why will they log on to Google? Because they know that Google is accessible and useful in terms of information. So this becomes a market definition. Online search engine. What? Best online search engine. Best online search engine, then it would become a product oriented mission statement. We have few examples that we can relate what is the difference between, through which we can come up with what is the difference between product oriented and market oriented statement. Like Amazon.com, are you all aware of it?
Yes.
One of the worldwide most famous organizations, right, which is making everything available, selling everything online, right? So if you want to buy something online, just log on to Amazon.com. eBay type, right? So you log on to Amazon, but this was the first organization, right? They started with books online, right? And now you can find anything you want to part, either a print or a house. You can buy anything online from this website, Amazon.com, right? Their product-oriented mission statement says that we sell books, videos, CDs, toys, consumer and other products online. So this mission statement is very obvious that they are talking about the products that they are selling, right? Likewise, if we see Disney, we run theme parks. Product क्या है? Right? Like if we talk about Nike, we sell athletic shoes and apparel, right? Again, they're talking about the products that they are selling. So all these definitions of market mission statements, they are all product oriented, right? On the other side, if we see their oriented definition, Amazon.com, they say that we make the internet buying experience fast, easy and enjoyable. We are the place where you can discover anything you want to buy online, right? This is a more market oriented. Why? Because they have defined their business of customers' needs. What is customers' need? क्या है हमें customer need? Fast, easy and enjoyable. So customer has so many options. There are so many other websites from where customers can buy. But why Amazon.com? Because it's faster to use, it's easier to use, user friendly, and at the same time enjoyable shopping on Amazon.com, right? So this is the reason that customer would log on to Amazon.com for buying the same product that they could have bought from some other place, from some other website, right? And you can get anything you want, right? This is a market oriented because they have focused on customer needs, right? Or defined their business in terms of customer needs, right? When we come to Disney, right? Again, अब हम ये definition देखें, they are very limited, they are very focused. अगर कंपनी ने कोई और प्रोडक्ट ऐड करने हैं तो उनको पूरी मिशन स्टेटमेंट अपनी चेंज करनी होगी, अदरवाइज इट वोंट वर्क. Like again, if they are adding houses, right? Now they have to add on. They have to change. Right? You are saying faster. They are wrong. Okay, so even if we talk about Disney, right? Disney is not only running theme parks, isn't it? Can you people name some other products of Disney?
The series, the video series.
They are into media, yes. They are into filmmaking. They are into clothing line. They are into toys, right? They have so many different businesses. So it's not only theme park. अब देखिए theme park कह दिया तो और जब Disney product category add on करें, now they have to change every time they will change their mission statement. If we look into this is accommodating all their businesses and they have defined their business in terms of customer needs. What do customer want? Create fantasies. A place where dreams come true and the magazine was the way it's supposed to. So again, over there, what is the basic customer needs? Customer wants fantasies. Customer wants memories. Customer wants experiences that they will take with them throughout their life, that they will cherish throughout their life. So it's not only a theme park, right? It's much more than that. And customer even go with those, if they buy any product from them or if they experience their movies or something, it's all about advertising or fantasy, right? Nike, not only shoes and apparel, right? Rather again, Nike is also coming up on many other products as well, right? So again, they say their market-oriented mission statement is that we bring inspiration, innovation to every athlete in the world. And again, they have defined who athletes are for them. If you have a body, you are an athlete. So they say it's not only for sports people, right? Everyone for us is an athlete. If you have a body, you are an athlete, right? So again, अगर हम सिर्फ ये पढ़ें, इससे लगता है कि जिस तरह वो सिर्फ टारगेट मार्केट उनका कौन है, उनका टारगेट मार्केट सिर्फ स्पोर्ट्स पीपल है, एथलीट, right? But they have minded that athlete, who is an athlete? Everyone who has a body is an athlete. So we are making products for everyone, right? As far और need क्या satisfy कर रहे हैं? Inspiration and innovation. So if you want innovative products, Nike and plus inspiration. So even अगर हम Nike का slogan क्या है उसका? Just do it.
Just do it.
Right? That means inspiration, right? So their shoes, it will give you, provide you with, even if it is shoes or it's other clothes, anything, inspiration. Like again, if you are in a car race, right, and you know that I have the best car, which is durable also and performance is high, right? Automatically you will have positive energy that I will win. So same is with Nike also says, if you wear it leads. Okay.
Meta online, we provide online services which create customer connectivity and any.
Yes, it's a mission statement. Even अगर आप if you have a chance, please go through Rehra University's mission statement. It's somewhere corridor में उसके director के office के पास है उसको. It's hand. Okay. Coming to the second step, that is setting company objectives and goals. Right? Now, once you have developed a mission statement, the second task is developing objectives and goals. Right? This company कैसे set करेगी? From the mission statement. So, whatever your mission statement is, you will keep your mission statement, and then out of the statement you are going to drive objectives for the organization. There are few examples given here in terms of business objectives and marketing objectives. Difference क्या है business और marketing objectives में? Business objectives are for the organization, right? For the entire business, right? Corporate level पे, business level के ऊपर, right? Whereas if we talk about the marketing objectives, they are purely for the marketing department, right? This is for the whole business. This is for the marketing department, right? There are examples given to you, like business objective क्या हो सकता है किसी कंपनी का? To build profitable customer relationship, invest in research and development, improve, enhance quality of their product, make the product availability high, right? So they can be all business objective. Overall किसी भी company के objective है, right? Out of the overall objective, then department drives their objective. Like marketing department will drive their objective, finance department will drive their objective, HR department will drive their objective. So if we discuss on marketing objective, right? Marketing department objective set करेगा. Let's say we want to increase market share. Market share हमने discuss किया था last class में. Remember? Let's अगर मार्केट शेयर डिस्कस किया था जिससे बोल रहे हैं कि पेप्सी का मार्केट शेयर 40 और कोक का 30 है, राइट? So one of the objective of marketing department is or can be to increase market share, right? So every organization they want that majority of market share they should have. So अगर उनका percentage है, they would want to increase it by next year to 45% or to 50% or so they want कि पूरा market जो है वो उनका product definitely that is not possible. लेकिन एक objective marketing department है to increase market share, right? कुछ ना कुछ हो increase हो 40% है तो 40.2% हो जाए 40 next year जो है वो 41% हो जाए 42%. But their ultimate objective is to increase market share. Then create local partnership. This can also be one objective, marketing objective, right? What is local partnership? Two organizations jointly working together to achieve some goals, right? Like Pepsi और Lay's को एक ही कंपनी के द्वारा है. Local partnership
They offer the cooking oil with a Scotch Brite.
Yes, that can be. कि डालडा के साथ Scotch Brite आपको उन्होंने local partnership create किया for a specific period of time, and both have some objectives to be attained, right? Like and Shell recently had this local partnership. जितने लीटर 30 लीटर फ्यूल लें और जितने लोग गाड़ी में उनको फ्री एक्सेस ओमो प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. So then क्या है ये local partnership है. That partnership might be related only to one area, right? Like this partnership was for Karachi Heights, right? And again for a limited period of time, right? And there would be different terms and conditions that both organizations are going to follow. So this is one objective of the marketing department can be to create local partnerships, right? And comes increase promotion. This can be another objective of the marketing department.
लोकल पार्टनरशिप में जैसे यूफोन है वाइजन के एड्स आते हैं उसके अंदर कभी मोबाइल दिखाया जाता है तो ये भी लोकल पार्टनरशिप में आएगा.
Yes, exactly, right? Okay, increase promotion. This can be another objective, right? Why? Because promotion again is a purely marketing element, right? So if you are thinking on please make sure next time your cell phone is switched off and inside your bag or your pocket. How come your cell is lying on the table? of your pen, you are keeping a cell phone. Increase promotion. Okay. Yes. Increase promotion. This can be another objective of the marketing department in company. Now, marketing department might think on that this year we need to improve our promotion by 5%, by 10%, 20%, because we need to generate more revenue, or we need to create more awareness, right? Or there can be other objectives behind it. So this can also be. These are few objectives only discussed here as an example, right? कि business objective different होते हैं, वो पूरी organization के होते हैं, और marketing objective marketing department से related होंगे, that will be set by the marketing head, right? Third step, that is designing the business portfolio, right? Business portfolio. What is business portfolio? Yes. Portfolio, you must have heard this word portfolio. Models का portfolio, photographers का portfolio, artist paintings है वो उनका portfolio, right?
Collection of business.
Correct. Business portfolio क्या है? एक कंपनी के जितने businesses हैं और जितने भी products हैं, they are their portfolio, right? Their business portfolio. So business portfolio, collection of businesses and products that make up the company, right? For example, the organization ARY, right? Can you name some businesses of ARY? Cash and carry. Okay, they are into media, all different channels. Okay, besides that, ARY real estate. ARY has a real estate in Dubai, right? They are constructing apartments. They are constructors over there, right? This is also one business of the organization. Now all these businesses and further media में भी अब कितने उनके different channels हैं, right? So all these businesses and products that make up this company has business portfolio, right? Portfolio analysis क्या है? No. Portfolio analysis, to analyze your portfolio is portfolio analysis, to evaluate your businesses, evaluate your products. So business
is working more on
yeah, you have to evaluate them. Which one is working, which one is maybe shortfall of their performance, right? So we need to evaluate our business. Every organization which is conducting business, they time by time they need to see that which business is performing how, right? So activity like ARY calling card. So we will decide on what we will do with it, right? So what is business portfolio analysis? It is activity in strategic planning, whereby management evaluates the products and businesses that make up the company. So this is simply like you give a quiz. Why do we take your quiz or your paper? To evaluate your performance, right? So throughout whatever we all the lectures, all the guest speaker sessions, or maybe conferences or seminars, etc. So in the end we are going to evaluate you. So जो भी हमने set किया था objective, have we achieved that objective or not, right? Are you going in the right direction or not, right? So portfolio analysis क्या है? When we evaluate our products and businesses, that are they going in the right direction or not? And again, portfolio analysis के there are 3 steps, right? What are those 3 steps? One is, let us discuss SBU, then we come to strategic business unit, SBU, right? What is an SBU? SBU stands for strategic business unit, right? And what is a strategic business unit? It is a unit of the company that has a separate mission and objective and can be planned separately from the company's other businesses, right? everyone elaborate or give an example for understanding this SBU? Is saying that it is a unit of an organization which has a separate mission statement which can be planned separately from the rest of the businesses of an organization. So what is an SBU? Yes. This is SBU 1, this is SBU 2, SBU 3 and likewise.
4 and 5.
Right? क्या है ये कंपनी के SBUs हैं. That means they are separate units of the organization, a separate mission statement which can be planned separately from the rest of the businesses, and definitely they have a separate set of competitors, right? जो मीडिया के जो competitors हैं वो गोल्ड में competitors नहीं होंगे. इसके जो competitors हैं वो इसके competitors नहीं होंगे. इसके जो competitors हैं वो इसके competitors नहीं होंगे. Because they are all different businesses, they are all different units, and there would be a separate manager who would look after every business for every area, right? Yes, there is a possibility कि वो एक single business हो सकता है या फिर related businesses हो सकते हैं. जैसे मीडिया है, लेकिन मीडिया के अंदर भी जो different channels हैं उसमें म्यूजिक है, न्यूज है, एंटरटेनमेंट है, ड्रामा है, राइट? ये क्या हो गया? रिलेटेड बिजनेसेस हो गए क्योंकि है वो मीडिया से ही ले, राइट? यस
मैम कॉम्पिटिटर्स तो होंगे ना क्योंकि मार्केट शेयर देखा जाएगा कि मीडिया का 40%.
We didn't say they will not have competitors. We said they will have a separate set of competitors, right? Like again, इसका competitor कौन है? Jio होगा, ओके, एक्सप्रेस होगा, राइट?
गोल्ड है ये जो एयरलाइन मीडिया है इसका जो कॉम्पिटिटर होगा तो ये न्यूज़ का कॉम्पिटिशन चलेगा ना. सबके ओनर तो एक है, आपस में कॉम्पिटिशन होगा ना.
Okay, okay, I got your question, right? He's saying कि एक कंपनी के अगर different businesses हैं तो उनका आपस में भी competition होगा. This is what he said. Yes, right? Yes, an organization वो जो competition होगा वो competition सिर्फ managers का आपस में होता है for to prove कि वो अच्छा manage कर रहे हैं अपनी domain को, right? Like again, there can be a competition between Lux and Lifebuoy internally, not in the market. Market के अंदर उनके customers totally different हैं. Market में competition नहीं होगा Lux और Life क्योंकि target market ही different है, right? लेकिन company के अंदर जो brand manager Lux का है और जो brand manager Lifebuoy का है उसमें competition होगा क्योंकि वो चाहेंगे Lux का revenue high हो और दूसरा manager चाहेगा brand manager चाहेगा कि उनका जो product जिसको वो लोग ऑफर कर रहे हैं उसका revenue high हो. There can be a possibility. Okay, over here yes we were discussing they will have a group of competitors and every unit would have a separate group of competitors, right? Is that clear what SBU is? Now coming to analyzing SBUs, right? क्या problem हुआ है तुमसे ये अकबर? टाइम तेज हो गया. आप लोग ट्रेन ऑन करा दिया करें फैन की जगह.
मैम और ये होता है तो
You can ask the tune coming here.
हमने मार्केट में टीचर ने डरा दी ये तो
चलो ये बिल्कुल चलता है आप उनके रिक्वेस्ट है वो ऑन कर देंगे क्योंकि आजकल जो है वो थोड़ा सफोकेशन हो गया है मौसम चेंज हो रहा है तो डेफिनेटली आई डोंट थिंक सो यू विल स्विच दैट ऑन देन नो विल एक्सपेंड. Okay, there are 3 steps in analyzing portfolio, right? What are those 3 steps, right? One is first of all you identify आपके SBUs कौन है, right? SBUs आपने identify कर दिए, like we have identified over here, right? These are the SBUs of ARY, right? That is identify key SBUs that make up the company. So we have identified the key SBUs. Second step is assess the attractiveness of each of its various SBUs, right? So second step में आपने क्या करना है? You have to find out कैसे परफॉर्म कर रहा है, ये कैसे परफॉर्म कर रहा है, ये कैसे परफॉर्म कर रहा है, ये कैसे परफॉर्म कर रहा है, assess कर लें, evaluate कर लें इनको, right? And definitely जितना easy है, the process is very difficult, right? Then you have to assess, evaluate each SBU. You have to compare them with your set objectives. Then you have to see how they are going. Are they going well? They are going better than you have planned, or they are not performing well. And the third step then would be you have to decide. You have to make a decision that how much you are going to support each SBU, right? not performing well, right? This is okay. ठीक है? अब आपने क्या किया? पहले आपने आइडेंटिफाई कर लिए, then you assess them, evaluated them, how they are performing, and then you are going to decide. And now we decide on, because this is not performing well, to discontinue or divest this business. This is performing well, and और introduce कर दें. ये जो अच्छा perform कर रहा है, you will invest more money in that, right? जिधर से आपको पैसा पैसे को भेजता है, जिधर से ज्यादा पैसा मिल रहा है उधर और इन्वेस्ट करें ताकि इससे और ज्यादा आप जनरेट कर सकें या रेवेन्यू अर्न कर सकें, राइट? So this is what we do. 3 steps. One is identify SKUs. Second is assess them. And third is make related decisions on it. Okay, what you are now? So what will be your future decisions for those SKUs, right?
Thank you.
Is there anyone for this?
Yes.
Yes.